So guys, we are about a quarter half through our destination. My friend, they are with the supplies, with waters, bags, with the water supplies. So we're about a quarter mile to our destination. All my friends are here. So we're halfway through to our destination. We gotta walk 5 miles through to reach our destination. We're in halfway. We are just half of them. Half of our friends are coming behind. So these are all my friends with the supplies. Everybody have their own supplies. So we're halfway through. So we're gonna show you another episode when we get in our destination. So see you guys for right now and watch our next episode. This is a dangerous forest. Walk 5 miles through middle of the jungle. Nobody is here, shit, and it's fucking scary as fuck. They used to kill a prisoner right here back then in history. So everybody's trying to cross the little creek right there. There's a lot of waters. Everybody in adventure right now. It's fucking big ass forest like nowhere, and with the supplies and everybody right here carrying at least like 20 pounds with them by themselves, with the knife, with the guns. So everybody's trying to crossing the creek right here right now, and we're about halfway mile. So we're almost there. Right here is a creek. We try to cross it. All right, let's go guys. Let's go. All right, with the tents and supplies, with the waters, with the bags, and now is my turn to jump in. All right, let's go guys. It's a fucking big ass jungle. Oh my god. See, we gotta cut through and go through all this bullshit. It's not easy guys, but it's an adventure. It's a good experience. Throw all the negative thought plus make your mind fresh when you go home back. So this is a good opportunity. सबैजना हैन अब यता हल्का देखाउनु पर्यो म हैन यताको हल्का भिडियो यतातिर अर्को लेभल जाँदैछ साथीहरुको यहाँ फ्लेभर कटाइ हुँदैछ यहाँ हैन समुदाय रहेछ यो हामीको रातको एडभेन्चर दिउँसोको गर्नै छ यता फिल्म पो हुन्छ यो त यार फिल्म हैन एउटा मेमोरी फिल्म हो नि खोज्दा नि पाउँछ पैसा माग्नु जाऊ फ्लेभर लुक्स so good and the tomato also looks so good Masu is packing god damn bullshit Masu is packing like a stacking man god damn but I don't think this will be enough man. We are 17 guys. 17 guys. This much. Only one cook. Finish. कुकर इज हाम्रो मामा हैन सही पकाउनु पर्छ हेर्दाखेरि अब खाउँ परिरहेछ मजाले पर्छ मकमक बास्न आइरहेछ क्रेडिट चाहिँ म मामालाई दिन्छु हैन यो त चलाउनु भइरहेछ number 1 cooker man he's the you know how to make a chicken fresh chicken curry right here he is the one who is dealing with the cook he's the one who is dealing with the meat right here with the chicken and the light guy is right there and right here and the guy having some breakfast but damn the chicken looks so delicious and another day right here yeah damn chicken looks so delicious oh my god सबै मार मसला हाले के सँग लानु oh my god यो त भात राम्रो छ हैन हामी त त्यस्तो त्यस्तो फोर छैन हामी सबै one piece पाकेको पिस हो यो छिटो दमियो राम्रो पाएको दाम वाची पा खोयो यता हैन भाइ एउटा खान नपाए किन लान्छ in our destination 5 miles walking सुवासको उयो कहाँ छ भनेको ब्याग सुवासको ब्याग मैले बोए थिए हैन कहाँ छ भने त्यो आफै हटाउ doing कुखुरा barbecue जबरजस्ती मान्छे त्यो छोडिदेऊ डढ्छ हौ प्लाट्टु छ
जोडिसक्यो त्यो कहाँ हालेको
त्यहाँ राख्देऊ न
यो मान्छे त अनि
त्यो मासु सबै डढ्छ
साइबा छोड्दिनु हामी
ऊ मान्छेहरूले गर्छ हौ
भूतलाई चाहिँ
हेर कस्तो कालो भइछ
अलिअलि भएको
त्यहाँ राख्देऊ न ऊ गर्छ हौ दाइहरूले हौ
एकछिन हौ यहाँ राख्ने ठाउँ हुनु पर्यो नि
त्यहाँ तेर्साइदेऊ न भइरहेको छ त म त छोडिदेऊ ल छोडिदेऊ म यहाँ यो भिडियो बनाइरहेको छु क्या So we finally reached in our destination where got some garlic right here, some garlic for the flavors for the chickens right here. Ooh, looks so tasty. Oh my God, Jesus. God damn. Oh damn. We finally reached our destination. We made one of the tent right here, and we still have to make one more tent right there. And we're half of a friend out right there. We're supply right here. So some of them are inside the tents chilling. Oh, where's the guys? Oh, it's locked. So we finally make one tent right here, and we still gotta make one more tent right here or right there somewhere. And we're making some chickens right now. Main guy is right here. Making it. Some chickens. Ooh, looks so tasty. Fire and some guys. And I'm going to another place right here. And here is the boss man right here drinking, you know, chilling everybody. We finally reached our destination. We got some rice in this bag, rice bag right here. And everybody be just chilling with this beers in their hands, you know what I'm saying? Like after a long time, everybody relaxing, having a fun with a big ass knife right there. Goddamn beautiful fire right there. Alright. Alright guys, see you in the next episode after this. So your supplies are all right there. Over there. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be good day. Good night, not a day.